Okay, in this video, we're going to go through the operator's touchscreen. First thing we're going to do is turn the key on. It's going to show us the hour meters on the machine briefly, and then we have to acknowledge that we've read the operator manual. This is going to bring us to our main operating screen. On the left side, we've got the water flow, which is currently on 2 out of 4, and on the right side, we've got the down pressure. The machine has 3 different environments. So we have low, 2 and 2. The second environment is medium, where water is at 3, down pressure is at 3. And the highest setting is maximum, where water is at 4, down pressure is at 4. These are both programmable by the manager. You need special codes to do that. If that's something you want to do, please seek your manager. On the left side, we've got a battery gauge. This will go down, and when we get to the last red, it'll start to blink. That time we need to shut off the machine and drive back for recharging. Underneath it, it's going to show us the voltage at all times. Here we have just a purely visual thing that's going to show us which systems are engaged and which systems are actually working. Right now we're in traction, so while everything else is grayed out, it's the one that's actually highlighted in yellow. If I go to my second part of the mode wheel and actually I'm scrubbing, water flow, and vacuum, you can see all those, instead of being gray, are now solid white, but nothing's actually blinking until I hit the green buttons to drive. When I start to drive, the traction will work, the water flow will start, the brushes will spin, and my vacuum will turn on. My mode wheel also gives me the ability just to double scrub. So on this one, my vacuum doesn't work, but I have scrubbing and water. In this mode, I've got vacuum only. We're going to hear the vacuum motor come on, and you can see the vacuum motor is pulling 21 amps at this time. I can bring it back up here into the traction, and we're going to hear the vacuum motor is going to run for around 20 seconds before it shuts off to clear out the screen. An additional note for the operators to be aware of, if you ever see this lock symbol, this orange lock symbol, it means that environment's no longer available to use. Management's maybe decided that they don't want the machine to operate that environment. So you can still choose 1 or 2, but you're also going to find that you can no longer make adjustments to water flow or down pressure. If you push this, you're getting the error code that you have to acknowledge. So again, if we want to understand why this environment was locked and how to unlock it, go ahead and speak with your manager, and they have the access code through the setup to make those kind of adjustments.